The Meghalaya government and the Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC will be meeting on the 7th of June 2024 to resolve the issue of relocating the Harijan colony residents. Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestun Tinsong, while not disclosing specifics of a recent meeting, reiterated the government's stance on relocating the colony's inhabitants.
Before we reach to a conclusion, we've been requested by them that please allow us one more meeting to be held, and we already fixed more or less on the 7th of June. The final meeting will be held, and once the meeting is over, I'm very sure things will be cleared, and then we will also inform to all of you the decision to be taken in the last meeting, meaning in the month of June, first week of June, 7 or any time within the first week of June 2024. There's a few concerns are there. I understand the sentiment. Few concerns are there because they've been there for so many years, number one. As human being, you know well, even me and you, if we're staying in one place for 25 years, 30 years, and then immediately shifting my house to other places, I think you do have that kind of sentiments. So all these sentiments has been discussed in totality, and as I said to you, I've requested them and they are requesting us that okay, give us one more time, one more chance for us. We'll go back, we'll sit down, we'll discuss with their colleague, with those families, and then on the 7th of June, as I said to you, then we will meet again and final decision will be taken.
Colony representatives expressed satisfaction with the meeting and noted that discussions would be shared with residents before a final decision is reached on the 7th of June this year.
You see, that demand is still there. We had discussion on that topic, but nothing is finalized yet. But yes, there is a progress. The final will be decided in the next meeting in first week of June.
What is
the government response is positive. As I told, we had a fruitful discussion. It is on the positive note. We are also moving ahead. So there are certain issues which we have discussed today. We'll go back, we'll discuss with our people, and then we'll see what best can be done. We also want a amicable solution. So hopefully we'll reach to some conclusion.
जो 342 फैमिलीज है ना, वो गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय है या उनके बाप दादा जो थे वो काम करते थे, और ये बात, ये कॉलोनी मतलब सिर्फ एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए नहीं है। ये कॉलोनी हम लोग 200 साल से यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, और ये कॉलोनी जो है ये एक तरह का मतलब जो लोकल पीपल और हमारा कम्युनिटी का साथ में जो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है, उसके लिए हम लोग ये बात पे आए हैं कि हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ये सेटलमेंट हो जाए। और अगर मतलब इसमें ये नहीं है कि कोई नौकरी करता है या नहीं करता है, जो गवर्नमेंट के साथ पहले से बात हुआ है, जो हम लोग क्लेम कर रहे हैं हाई कोर्ट में भी, उसी के आधार पर हम ये मांग रहे हैं कि जो हमारी फैमिलीज है, 342 फैमिलीज है, उनको सेटलमेंट किया जाए।